Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make homemade bagels in your Thermomix. If you didn't already know, the Thermomix makes amazing bagels. You'll never need to buy them from a bakery again. So all you'll need to make some homemade bagels are egg, some flour, milk, sugar, yeast, and salt, and your favorite toppings. The first thing you'll want to add is 1 egg. And then next you'll need 100 grams of milk. And as I'm pouring it in, the Thermomix is going to actually weigh it for me. So you can see where it says 0. And once I start pouring, it'll go all the way up to 100 where I will stop. And next I'm going to need to add some vegetable oil. I like to use canola oil for these. So I'm going to pour until I get to 25 grams of oil. And then next you'll need about a tablespoon of sugar. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. Next you'll need to add your active dry yeast. So we'll need about 7 grams, which is about 2 teaspoons. And finally, we'll need to add our flour. I like to use organic flour, and you could use all-purpose for this. I've tried it with both bread flour and all-purpose flour. Either one works fine for this recipe. So for the flour, you also don't need to measure it in cups. It's telling me on the screen how much I need, so all I have to do is pour it in and the scale will weigh it for me. I'm going to be adding about 650 grams of flour today. Next, I'm going to add in some water, and again, it's going to weigh the water for me as I'm pouring it in. We'll need about 250 grams of water today. All right, our dough is finished kneading, and now we'll need to keep it in a warm place for about an hour. All right, our bagel dough is done rising, so now we are going to roll it out, boil them, and add our seasonings. Forming the bagels is Lila's favorite part, right, Lila? The next step is to boil our bagel dough in some water for a couple minutes on each side.